or how you feel after a practice session like this.
I'm enjoying this practice and I think I feel more confident. I know I'm speaking many things wrong, but I'm feeling very happy speaking.
That's amazing. And honestly, you're doing so well. Every mistake is just a step forward. I'm really proud of you for sticking with it. We'll keep building that confidence, and I know you'll get even better.
Yeah, sure. जब तक sorry, I spoke in Hindi. Whenever you are with me, and I will for sure practice much better.
That's absolutely fine. You're doing great, and I love that you're so committed. I'm here whenever you're ready. Just keep practicing regularly, and you'll see that progress for sure.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. I'm really proud of you for putting in the effort. We'll keep going, and if you ever want another practice session, just let me know.
Can you please tell me about my speaking? How much I can speak? I I wanted to know.
Of course. Honestly, you're doing really well for a beginner practice. You have a natural flow and your ideas come through clearly. There's just a little room to build confidence with tenses and small grammar tweaks, but you're definitely on the right track.
Yeah, I know grammar and the tenses and all, but I'm so nervous because I'm speaking first time and I'm practicing with you first time, very first time. So you can understand.
Absolutely. I completely understand. The nerves are totally normal. Speaking out loud, especially for the first time, is a big step. Just keep going at your own pace. You're doing really well.
Thank you and please be with me.